Hey, Robert Marino here with Sentry Equipment, and this month's 3-minute tip is about creating profit centers, not just product centers. So let's get started. So many customers add products, but they're not really geared to add profit. And so what does that mean? So a product center is a new product, something you're adding new to your store, or it's a new flavor, new product category. But a profit center is something that you're adding that makes you money. And that's what we're in this business for. It's not a hobby. We want to make money. That's what we do. So how do you turn a new product or product category into a profit center? Well, first and foremost, you need to identify the need of your product. I believe in maxing the max. What does that mean? Every store has something that they're known for, a connection with their community, a connection with their customer base, kind of a key product demographic that they sell. The best thing to do is capitalize on this. You don't want to look at it and say, I don't sell any Sundays. Let me start a Sunday campaign. Well, okay, that's nice. I like bringing in new things, but it's harder, okay? I don't sell Italian ice. Let me bring Italian ice and let me throw all my marketing towards Italian ice. Well, that's not what you're known for. It's harder. Let's first take the path of least resistance. Let's look at what you're known for and try to capitalize on that. For example, so let's say you're a shop that sells a ton of soft serve ice cream cones or hard ice cream cones. Well, and that's really the crux of your business. Well, how do you create a new profit center within that? Well, so now here you go, okay? What we do is we took waffle cones, we rolled them in some enrobing chocolate, we rolled them in sprinkles and chocolate chips and marshmallows. Now we're getting $1.95 extra for these cones, specialty cones. And it's not creating a new product category. People are already coming in for this. We're just giving them a new way to market it. So we created a new profit center. Let's say you sell a lot of milkshakes. Well, let's add candies to the milkshakes. Let's add some new flavors to the milkshakes. Let's take what people are already coming in for and expand upon it, make it recipe driven. Let's have a grasshopper milkshake. Let's have a peanut butter cup milkshake. Let's have all these different things to grow. So maxing the max, it's just a couple examples of what you can do. But how do you want to drive sales into other categories, okay? Like we talked about, what is the need of your market? Is your market asking for dietary products? Are they asking for vegan, Dole Whip, no sugar added products? Does your market want a homemade product category or handcrafted? Is that their desire? What is your store missing based on your competition? Is your competition selling the heck out of something that you're not into? Once you kind of max the max, then we could look into these other subcategories. But if you add another category, be patient. It may take time, all right? Ensure the addition fits into your identity. The last thing you want to do is a new ice cream store say, I'm going to create a new profit center and add soup. It's not going to work, okay? Have it be akin to what you're known for and what you do, which is a dessert shop. Let's get quickly to the execution. All right. Number one, create recipe-driven options. Don't just add a line item to your menu. Create a recipe-driven menu. Think point and click. You want to have customers come up and say, give me that. All right. Be creative. Small minds lead to small profits. Let's think big. Let's think creative. Let's try different things. Bubble waffles, donuts, new flavors, crazy flavors. Make sure your operations are equipped to handle the new product. They're trained properly. So when people give this a shot, they get a good first impression. All right. Promote with visual point of sale. We're in a visual business. We need to be visual in the point of sale that we promote with. Sample often. Get these new products into people's mouths. Get them trying it. Understand the costs. If a sundae costs you $5.95 and you sell it for $5.75, there's no profit there. So understand the cost of what you're doing and what you're adding. And then lastly, evaluate the data so you can pivot if need be and you know if this thing is working, right? So in closing, we want to add profit centers, not just product centers. We want to try to max the max first, get what people are known for and capitalize on that. Then we want to bring in some other categories through understanding our market, understanding what's working elsewhere, and understanding what we can do, add to our store without stepping on our operations. Recipe driven, be creative, make sure your operations can handle it, promote, sample, sample, sample. Understand the cost so you know you're making money, and then evaluate the data so the data can drive your decisions. Do all this and we can create profit centers that'll help make 2021 your best year yet. Thanks so much. Talk soon.